You know, so me a work. Me a work and nah make no video. Make one little short piece of video, me a show it. One little short piece. I mean, I want to make mistake and put that video the wrong place too, you know. But make one short piece of video, me a show it. But see car there, you ready? If the next video me make it before me put on the top box. Video I want to see a while ago. Yeah, me make the video there before me put on the top box. But see top box there now. Turn on the camera and make you see it good. The settings there now. I make it nice and clean. Nice, clean, pretty install me a game. I'm not start doing nothing on the inside yet. But the box ain't ready. Outside box ain't ready. Inside box now. I'm gonna do some work on the inside box. Nice up here. Make the sound and nice. Yeah. Just go on. Take me like a time and set it. Good. You play some tune too, you know, right now. Yo, right now, I don't have nothing to do. I do some work for a morning and stop work, you know, and I relax. Big up my subscriber them. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, subscribe now. Yeah. Press the button. Press the subscribe button. Press the bell and you know we get notification when we upload video. Normal. And for y'all who give me the support, enough respect, enough love. And in the COVID-19 time, stay safe, stay home. Like them say. I believe in it too. So when I'm there, home sweet home. And like, I don't watch this. I spin on the camera make you can see it good. No, me have to always spin on the camera. Zoop, zoop. Yeah, see it there? Watch this. This is first one this, you know. Second one there in the middle over there, sir. This is a top shelf now. You just fit right, sir. Because you're making fit right, sir. Because we have a big box. Then we have a little big box. And then we have a small box. And then we have over here, sir, now. Let me tell you. You see over here, sir. I can't even disclose the fullness of what go on over here, sir. I'm going to do some whole heap of setting over here, sir, but I'm just not ready to start yet. Because I'm not do it in a rush. I take my time and deal with over here, sir. But over here, sir, with there. For now, this me I go and sport on the street. This is my project what I go and do now in the COVID-19 time. I go and build top shelf sound for him. I don't put nothing on the inside yet. If you now watch my channel, I don't put nothing on the inside yet. This is my little ads car. And I fall in love with them window boxer, you know. You see them window boxer? Them window boxer. Pan this? Yeah, I fall in love with them window boxer. I feel like I might make 2 window boxes for the car. I feel like I might make 2 for the car. Make me know what to think. Even though I don't want to spoil up the car in a way, but make me know what to think if I don't think if I make 2 window boxes for the car. As an ads car. 2 window box and 2 and them 2. Because I not change them top box. Nope, them fit in a car comfortable and nice. But make me know what you think about the window box them for the car. Yeah. Even though it's something I have to go put on and take off often. If I make it, I have to go put them on and take them off often. But make me know what you think. But I just something there. I go and build. And we are do them as a team. Cause you see how they look alike? Them two they are twin and them two are twin. Yeah. Them two are twin. The one on the right and the one on the left are twin. And then them two are twin. The one on the right and the one on the left are twin. So you see? One big sound and one small sound are twin. One sound there so and that we know. Nothing at all. Me say I just want radio and sound door speaker alone in it. But me soon make you know what I gotta do with the car there. Whole heap of things in store for the car, yeah, the one over here. So stay tuned to my channel and watch what I go on. I'm out.